Here we go.
Because we have shows in different guys.
Alright,
Why are
hold
they
on.
both the same guy?
Hold on a
How can
second.
the same guy fight the same guy?
Are you just
unless
recording
it
just the
makes
video
sense?
itself?
Yeah.
I fight myself
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up on my YouTube channel because
Alright,
we're at 14 seconds, 15 seconds.
alright, let me
this
try to see what's up, where we're at. Alright, we got the corners.
Yeah, that's what I can
Let's get, I mean, we got the edges. Alright, we need the corners.
Oh, so there's a pattern to like.
Well, I do. That's just me. That's just me because I'm a geek.
Do you know in Russia
Yeah,
you don't
apparently
cube, the
that
cube
means good luck.
cubes you.
The cube cubes you.
Mother Russia.
The
Soviet Russia,
cube
Cube solves you.
Cube solves you. Yeah, cube solves you. That's funny.
David's such a tired. He's all.
I've had a couple of drinks. I can feel my.
I love him so much.
I can feel my fingers just kind of like just sliding along.
You're really good with those fingers.
Yeah, make it with a finger. Hey.
I'm wearing Rubik's Cube boxers just so you know.
Rubik's Cube boxers.
Yeah, cause
Oh, he's getting close.
no, cause I showed people my latest hardcore scene and my latest femdom scene.
What'd you do in the femdom scene?
What'd you do in the femdom scene?
Yeah, give us some narration.
With Carly,
What'd you do?
we beat Cat Pig.
Who?
Cat Pig.
Cat Pig?
Yeah, that's one of my bitches.
His name is Cat Pig.
So who is this video for?
This is the avian Snapchat. She took over the avian Snapchat.
Yeah, I know that. Oh, that's what this is.
People
How
were
come there's
asking
not,
me
like, text right here?
questions.
Or is that like, do you add it?
You add it
Fact?
if you want to.
Most amazing present ever. It's Tina's googly eyes. Oh my god, it's amazing.
What? 209! Ridiculous! That is ridiculous! Nerd! 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 Now go back to Street Fighter 2!
That guy now too.
Yeah! Nerd!
Perfect.
Damn!
Yeah, man.
Badass.
Nerd alert. Nerd alert, my nerd radar. Yeah, man.
That's pretty fantastic. Damn. What did I just hear?
You must not be talking about me.